They have not returned any of my property whatsoever. Still holding it as evidence against Ricky, pending an appeal is what they said. It was a SKS rifle, a crowbar, a sheetrock trowel, a coil of rope, I think also was a pocket knife. The only thing that belonged to Ricky was the sword, which was used in the trial.
Right.
They took my property, my personal property that Ricky never had control of, he was never in possession of, that never got brought into anything involving that incident, and used it as evidence against him. That's fabricating evidence. And now they're telling me that I can't have my property back because it was admitted as evidence against Ricky. Well, what you're doing now is taking my personal private property out of my personal private vehicle and using it against a man that had nothing to do with it. You give him 30 years for walking a door that his son opened. His opening argument, his opening statement in his closing arguments of the trial, the first thing he said was Micky Passmore went to Julia Coleman's looking for Chip. Once he said that, that trial was supposed to stop because he became the third prosecutor in that case right then. He should have never said that in front of that jury, and that is the only charge he got found guilty of. Once he said that, he became the third prosecutor in that case, and that left Ricky sitting at the table without counsel because his attorney became the third prosecutor in the case when he said that.
So you feel statements made by his attorney also incriminating?
The statement made by his attorney, his opening statement was Ricky went to Julia's looking for Chip. He should have never said that to no jury. And that's the only charge he got found guilty of. He got found not guilty of all the other charges that involved criminal intent, but he got found guilty of first-degree burglary, which to be found guilty of first-degree burglary, you have to have criminal intent. He got 30 years and found not guilty of criminal intent. How are you going to find him not guilty of criminal intent and then give him 30 years for a charge that you have to have criminal intent for? It's corruption. It's exactly what it is. It's corruption.
Is it your opinion then, or your belief, that your brother was tried and convicted not because of the burglary, but because of the views on race?
That's right. It was all because he used the N-word is why he got convicted. As he testified from that stand, he said, I have no problem with a black man. But a crack dealer, there's a problem. Especially, what would you do if it was a crack dealer around your kids, man?